Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is CandyBand front loader washing machine. This is 9 kg washing machine actually. This having problem. It's not touch screen, not working. Earlier also I make the video same, but I want to tell you all my customers, also who's my watching audience. I have to tell. I want to show you how to repair this one properly because some audience, also some customers are requesting any other companies this ribbon, touch ribbon, but it's not working. They are giving call to me. That's why I'm going to make this video and we will go to the next one. Now I already given power connection. I'm selecting here drain and spin. You can see here it's not touching actually. This is common issue, this type of washing machine CandyBand, but you can see, you can hear the noise, but any other all options are working. Only the problem, this start pause button not working. Now before so I told you earlier I make the video, but now I'm going to show you how to correct ribbon, how we can find out the correct ribbon. That's why I'm going to make this one and we will go to the next. Now first we have to remove the top cover. After that only we can remove the front panel. Before that we will disconnect the power connection because of the safety. Back of the machine 3 screws are there. We have to remove. We have to remove that 3 screws. After that we can take, here it will come like that. Now here also having same nut, 2 nuts, also detergent drawer with the drawer having here 2 screws. We have to remove that one also. Also here. After that we have to remove that 2 nuts. You can keep it here for the safety. So now I can remove the front panel. With that it will come like that. Now after pressing this lock it will come like that. Now you can see here. Now what I'm going to do here, I will remove all the connections here. If you need, you can take the picture also, but it's not changing. Careful, we have to remove. Okay, it's not changing. This 3 blocks actually, you can remove it. Here also we can remove, and after that this connection also. Now I already take it out. Now we have to remove this main control board. After that we have to remove this all the parts here board. We have to take it out. After that only we can replace the ribbon, and also I will remove the ribbon here. While we are going to remove, you have to this one take it out. This is the lock here. This lock we have to take it out. After that it will come. Now I'm going to remove here screws. Also here also one screw. We have to press this lock. We can take the main control board out. Here like that. It will come. Now I can take it out like that. You can see here. It's no problem with the main control board. We will keep somewhere else for the safety. Now I have to remove this block. It will come like that. Here lock also. Here also lock. It will come like that. Easy. Now you can see here friends. This is the problem with our common issue. This one. This is the carbon. It's already gone. That's why it's not touching actually. Now, if I'm going to replace this one, you have to find out this number 41043482. It should be the same ribbon, otherwise this machine not working. I will show you. I having different type ribbons. I want to show you. This is so many ribbons with me actually. You can see. I have to find out the same number. It is look like all the ribbons are same. You can see here, dear. It is look like all the ribbons are same. You can see. But it should be the same number. I have to replace, otherwise this machine not working. Now look like, see this number, you can see. This is last 488400. That means 800 last number. That is look like it is the same. You can see, but it's not suitable for this panel. Because of that, we have to find out the same number. Again, I am telling, if it is not the same number, don't fix. It should be the same number. Now I have to check the same number. After that only I can replace this ribbon. Now, dear friends, I found the same ribbon. You can see here. This is the number 41043482, and also here it's coming 14. That is batch number. That is doesn't matter actually. It should be the same number here. This one only the batch number, but this is the part number. Now I'm going to replace this ribbon, and we will check if it is. It should work actually after replacing. But this old type ribbon is not possible. It is look like same, but we are not able to fix that one. Because of that one, I am telling again. While you are going to replace, before order, you have to find out the ribbon number, because the model, if you are giving to the service team your model, the same model actually having three type of carbon this ribbon. Because of that only I am telling. Now I am going to replace this one, and we will see. Now it is actually defect, it's not working. Now anyway, we will replace this one, new one. Now we have to remove this one. This one we have to remove. After that, while we are going to install this one, here you can see here, we have to fix the same like that, and from here to there, it's very careful actually. It should be the straight. Now it's okay. But again I am telling, don't forget this one. You have to fix the same ribbon only, otherwise it's not working. And we will check if it is whether working or not after fixing. Now it's okay. Now we will fix this block here. Yes. Also we have to fix this screws. Now we can fix the main control board here. While you are going to fix here, it should be here properly. It should be fixed like that. You can see. After that, we can press here. Here also we have to enter here. Now it's okay. Now it will come like that. Also we have to fix one screw here. Now it's okay now. Now we have to fix here. This one very careful we have to fix. The seal comes like that. After that we have to tight this. Now it's okay. Now we will give the connection. After that we can check it should work actually. The connections are okay. Now we will check whether it's working or not. Now fixing knob also. I given already power connection, and we will check here spin drain and spin cycle. Now it's okay. Now machine is working fine. This is the problem actually. If you are going to replace the ribbon, it should be the same ribbon, otherwise machine not working. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thank you.